5 to 10 miles per hour. Friday, partly cloudy. The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 434, effective until 7 p.m. or 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Indiana: Benton, Jasper, Lockport, Lake, Newton, Porter, Pulaski, and Stark, and the following counties: Harrisburg Harbor, Indiana, Burns Harbor to Michigan City, Indiana, and Lake Michigan to Wilmette Harbor, Illinois to Michigan City, Indiana, 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake, and the following counties in Illinois: Ford, Grundy, Uruguay, Kankakee, Livingston, and Will. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds, and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. This is NOAA Weather Radio.